I think that it's pejorative or emotionally loaded language to talk about God's being bound by logic or limited by logic or submitting to the laws of logic. I would much rather say that logic is simply descriptive of the nature of God himself, that as the ultimately rational being, God is by nature essentially logical. So what we call logic is simply an expression of the very nature of God. And as such, it doesn't bind him or limit him. It just describes who he is and what he is. Everything that God does is in accordance with logic, even if it is done for aesthetic purposes or some other sort of value. It is something that is always in accord with logic, because logic describes the very nature of God. And so all that he does is logical in that sense. Certainly there's more to life than just logic, but that more cannot be contrary to logic. It has to be in accord with logic, and logic is rooted in the very nature of God.